Okay, I'm actually more nervous than I'm letting on right now. Also, I'm like, how cute. Oh, I don't even know what to try first. I'm not gonna try these because I've already done it on me and Brianna's commentary channel. If you guys are not subscribed, you should go do that right now. A shameless self plug. Go follow me on my Instagram and go check out my podcast that I do with my friend Abby, which is on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and SoundCloud. What else in here? I know is not from America. So the next thing I'm gonna do is the animal bar, which is, from what I understand, is literally just milk chocolate. Oh my god, that's so cute. What the heck? How cute! It just tastes like chocolate. Alright, I'm gonna try the chalk dips next because I love Nutella and that's pretty much what this reminds me of, so. What the what the hell? It tastes like, it smells like tea. So I'll be finishing the rest of that later. It's actually really good. It's not better than Nutella, but it's good. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is the penguin bar. It doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like a lot of chocolate. Okay, Bets has talked about this so freaking much. It's the orange chocolate. Yeah. What is up with you freaking British people and wanting your food wrapped so perfect? I just don't understand. Oh my god. What the hell? Brianna. My sister's asleep, so I can't show her this, but look how cool. Like, it looks like oranges. This actually tastes so good. Like, and you wouldn't think so because it's orange. Holy cow. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try these next. It's the Knick Knacks Nice and Spicy. I don't know if they're chips or like. Oh my god. Those aren't good. I was like, oh, maybe it's just me. No, those literally taste like I'm eating an onion. That is so gross. Okay, to get that horrible taste out of my mouth, we're gonna eat raindrops because Bess was eating these the other day. And, well, I said other day as in like almost a month and some. I go, oh my god. What is it? I mean, it's fine, but, oh, sugar-coated puffed maize and rice. It's actually not bad. Like, we don't hate it. Like, it's actually good. I'm kind of sad because, like, now there's no more candy I'm going to be able to eat after this. Or at least new candy. This one I'm excited about. It's the Winder's Fruit. Or the, yeah. It's basically like a fruit roll-up. So I basically already know I'm going to like it. You also have comic strips on? What the hell? Treat us like shit over here. Like, we've been there, though. Next thing I'm going to try is the Curly Whirly. I have seen these all over YouTube. Like when anyone does like American Eats British Candy or whatever, these are always in the video. I'm so excited. What the frick? Tell me the thing's just broken and that it doesn't actually look like that. I open it and it's like actually, whoa, what the hell? This is so good. Holy crap. If you don't like candy getting stuck in your teeth, don't eat this. But like it's so, holy. Last thing I wanted to try was the Smarties. Bets and I talk about this on FaceTime a lot just because it's one of those like snacks that like we have Smarties but they're obviously not chocolate and there's ours, so it's kind of weird, but these are good. These taste like M&Ms. It's like M&Ms. And I love M&Ms. Oh my god, these are so freaking pretty. It's like fuchsia. Is that what I'm supposed to do with it? Probably not. You Americans are an idiot. We don't need you to tell us. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know if you guys want more videos like it. I will make her send me more food. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any video recommendations that you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys sometime soon. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, be true to yourself, and stay kind. Love you guys so much.